how to find chat disappearing messages settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find chat disappearing messages settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click on any chat you want, like this one, and then click on profile here and scroll down. This one here you will find it, disappearing messages. Just click on it and here you can manage it. You can make it for anything you want here, 7 days, and that's it as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.